Looking to warm up your space without sacrificing floor area? Wall heaters offer the perfect blend of performance, efficiency, and compact design. In this video, we'll dive into 5 of the best wall-mounted electric heaters available on Amazon in 2025. These models are ideal for bedrooms, bathrooms, hallways, and even garages, anywhere you need reliable warmth in a compact footprint. Let's start with the Dreo Smart Wall Heater. One of the smartest and sleekest options currently on the market. This 1,500-watt heater features built-in Wi-Fi, voice assistant compatibility, and app control, allowing you to program schedules, adjust temperature, and monitor energy use from your phone or via Alexa and Google Assistant. It also includes a highly precise thermostat, IP24 splash protection for bathroom safety, and a whisper-quiet operation level of around 28 to 40 decibels. It's not just about power, it's about intelligent heat management. The Dreo is perfect for users who value smart home integration and safety in tight spaces like bathrooms or hallways. Next up is the HeatStorm Phoenix Wi-Fi Infrared Heater. This model is specifically designed for wall mounting and offers smart home functionality through Wi-Fi. It uses infrared heat technology, which warms people and objects directly without heating the air, making it highly efficient in spaces with drafts or high ceiling. With 1,500 watts of power, it can comfortably warm up rooms of up to 300 square feet. The slim profile, built-in thermostat, child lock, and remote control make this heater an excellent solution for bedrooms or offices where floor space is at a premium. It's also known for its ease of installation and maintenance, and its cool-to-the-touch exterior is a big win for homes with pets or small children. For those on a tighter budget, the Broan-NuTone wall heater offers an affordable and effective solution. This unit comes in both 750 and 1,500 watt configurations and includes a rugged metal grille and adjustable built-in thermostat. It's simple, reliable, and gets the job done without frills. Users appreciate its straightforward manual controls, safety shutoff, and ability to work well in garages, entryways, or small utility spaces. It may not have smart features or remote access, but it's a dependable performer, especially in homes where you just need fast and consistent heat in a specific area. If you're looking for a blend of power, reliability, and thermostat control, consider the Cadet Com-Pak 1500W wall heater. With its strong 5,120 BTU output and compact design, it's a great option for bedrooms, living rooms, and dens. It features a built-in thermostat that allows you to easily set and maintain your desired room temperature. Its steel casing and powder-coated finish make it durable, while the multi-volt compatibility, 120V or 240V, offers flexibility during installation. Users often highlight how quickly it heats up a room and how quietly it operates. The Cadet Com-Pak is a middle ground solution that combines ease of use, effective heating, and long-term reliability. Finally, for those who need serious heat output, the King Wall Heater delivers a powerful 2,000 watts of fan-forced heating. This model is built for larger spaces like garages, basements, or workshops, and is capable of pumping out roughly 6,800 BTUs of warmth. It uses a nichrome heating element for fast heat response, and features a high-volume fan for effective distribution. The safety limit switch ensures peace of mind during extended use. While it lacks Wi-Fi or smart controls, it makes up for it with brute heating power and rugged durability.